guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the photo quality in the Redmi 12. So in the first step, open the camera app. Now just swipe down on the screen and go to the settings. Now tap on the picture quality, and this is the place where you can change your quality of your photos. So if you want to take the quality with the photos with the best quality, just keep it on the high. But if you want to take the photos and save more space in your storage, choose the standard on or the low. And now we can take the picture and compare the size of it. This is the size of the picture in the standard quality. You can see that we have at least 5 megabytes. And this with the full quality, and there we have a 7.4. And that's it, this works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.